Hello everyone, iOS 26.5 has just came out, so you might be wondering how to go ahead and fix your iPhone if it's overheating. Now number one, if you just installed iOS 26.5, the biggest thing to remember is that this update will take a little bit of time to re-index on your iPhone, meaning that when you first install it, there's a lot of processes going on in the background, so you will just have to go through and just let your iPhone just kind of work for the next few days. Try to see if it'll fix itself. Most of the time, that's probably what you're going to end up having to do. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well is to just go through and actually, if you make your way over into your iPhone settings, if you scroll down to your battery section right over here, and this battery section should tell you kind of the most common types of, battery, applications taking up the most amount of battery on your iPhone. Typically, there is an overlap or connection between most amount of battery and overheating. So you can kind of get a gauge, kind of see what's going on there. And that is kind of what I'd recommend doing from that particular side. So I feel like that right there is one of those things to keep in mind there as well. Now, if that's not working, you can also try simply going through and try restarting your iPhone. So hold down the volume up button, power button, slide the power off, give it a few more moments, power back on. And you want to see if that ends up fixing it. And for a lot of people, that could very well end up fixing the problem for you. And hopefully those end up fixing the problems. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.